heard we have some pretty bad weather around here, so I think I'm gonna have to go out town for a little while. Got my cat in here. Not gonna leave just quiet yet. I'm gonna try and turn on this TV and watch around. See if I can listen to radio. Man, this thing always broken. I never dare no fixing nothing around here. He always coming over to my house. I always leave this fence open though. I think Tom's Diner over there. I don't know. I think he went hanging out of town not too terribly long ago. All right, let's get in here. Oh shoot! It's dark in here. It's dark. It's dark. All right, there we go. That's more like it. Oh shoot! I heard that darn tornado siren. Let's see if I can figure out where this thing is. Is that it right over there? Is that it? No, that ain't it. I think I'm gonna get in my car. Oh shoot, there's that darn tornado. Shoot, he ain't home. I wonder where he is. He probably at work. I don't think he is tornado shelter. Come on. This ain't gonna be good. This ain't gonna be good. Oh no. Whoa! Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god. God dang it. There's go my Kathy leg.